stay on pause for just a second. I am at the Spokane International Airport picking up my nephew, Blake. His mom is flying to Kauai for 2 weeks, and it's a romantic getaway with her husband. So she puts me in charge of Mr. Blake, and we're picking him up from the airport right now. Easiest airport I've ever been to navigate. Behind me there's clearly no traffic, and this way also no traffic. I am parked right there, and right here is the entrance. Woohoo! So the neighbor brought over this little motorcycle. His name is Riot. And this will be the first time that Jonah tries to ride something like this.
Okay, give it a little twist.
This right here is one proud dad moment. I grew up riding motorcycles. I love everything about motorcycles, and it couldn't make me any happier that my kiddo just seems to be a natural. I just gave him a few pointers, explained a few things, and, you know, gave him the important stuff. Rubbin's racing, stay back in the whoops, forward in the turns, and when in doubt, gas it. Oh, hello everybody. We're headed off to the Idaho State Fair. Currently we're sitting at the store waiting on Lily and Blake to come back out because we had to stop and get water and a couple other things. We really want to get there by 3 o'clock for this bug thing that they're doing, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. What do you think, bud?
Good.
What good? You excited for Demolition Derby? Oh, bless you! Whoa! You excited for Demo Derby?
Yes.
Watch some cars smash?
Yep.
Sweet.
Well, I'm flip over that.
Maybe. We'll see you there.
I'm so hungry I can eat some bugs.
Jonah, what about you?
No bugs.
No bugs? Oh. What? Have you ever seen a snail that could eat you? What do you think about that guy? He's so big.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine.
You probably shouldn't do it.
You should hit me with a splash gun, so I cool down.
For the views.
Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down.
What do you got?
We have roasted crickets. We have lasagna, cotton candy, lemon curry, and orange.
I'll try the orange. The orange dreamsicle.
Lily going for the creamsicle.
Can I try the lemon?
Lemon?
Okay. Waiting on you. You want cotton candy?
Oh, you're gonna do it all together?
Thank
You got what? Lemon?
Yeah.
Which
You're
one do
getting
you want?
cotton candy?
Cotton candy.
Candy.
What's that leave? The lasagna?
And
Or the
curry.
And the curry? I'll try the lasagna.
No, I'll try the curry.
Lasagna?
Yeah, lasagna.
We're doing this all at once. We just hold it.
That's a cricket. You ready?
Where are we going, Jeff?
Ready?
Ready? On the count of 3, and then we eat them. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good.
That's actually pretty good for lasagna. Blake's over there coughing. That's great. That's great. Now go ahead, next. Mine wasn't bad. Mine tasted like, you know, space food, like dehydrated lasagna mixed with sawdust.
Mine tastes like dog food.
Dog
Tastes
food?
like lasagna, and it was supposed to taste like orange dreamsicle.
Dreamsicle lasagna. Jonah, how was yours?
Not good.
Not good? What was it like?
It tastes like flour.
Flour?
Yeah.
I have water and I haven't rinsed my mouth, so mine must have not been too bad.
It's still stuck in
I said I was hungry.
What was that?
I said I was hungry.
Show me how hungry you are.
I hope there's
Did you murder a small pig?
It's good. Pulled pork with French fries.
Alright, well, hi, my name's Blake. I'm not usually here, but I'm here sometimes. We're in Idaho right now at a fair. I don't really know what to talk about at all. What should I talk about? Oh, yeah. So, we're at the fair, and one of my favorite things in the entire world is kettle corn. So, I bought a really big bag. It was like $10, but it's still the greatest thing ever. It's like my favorite food in the entire planet. And now we're looking for Jesse and Jonah. They're getting elephant ears right now. See, I'm killing this.
Alright.
Yeah, I know. Pretty natural.
What's that?
I saw I'm basically a professional vlogger now.
He's gonna puke. YouTube gold.
Just maybe.
Yeah, you gonna toss some cookies for everybody?
I'm kind of dizzy.
What kind of cookies?
Alright, now you, skin them bridges.
Alright, give me a minute. Now, wait a minute, that's not part of the show.
I know, I just wanted to see how far you go. Watch it.
Now look here, Deputy.
Excuse me, that's Marshall to you.
Oh, he's talking to you.
No, I was talking to you, you idiot.
Ah, he was talking to you and he called you an idiot.
No, you're just gonna make them mad and they're gonna kill me. What am I gonna do?
Well, Marshall, looks to me like you gotta be brave.
I gotta be brave. Ching, ching, ching. Catch me outside, how about that? Marshall, kill him quick.
I can't give you much of a chance. You forgot one.
And sometimes why?
Oh, you.
So, we came to the North Idaho State Fair. We had a great time, but one of the best things about the fair is the Demolition Derby.
Jonah, what do you think?
We're gonna get all our slack and back over. It looks like our rookie is doing pretty good. He's having fun.
So we're all having a great time at the Demolition Derby until Genius here, smart drunk guy in the turquoise tank top, has an issue with kid in the white t-shirt who just happens to be an Army Ranger, I guess. I missed the beginning of what happened, but turns out somebody touched somebody's girl the way they shouldn't have. Dude in the turquoise shirt was wanting to pick a fight the whole evening anyway. You can see that here. So let's see what happens. Not exactly how we planned it on ending our evening, but entertainment. What do you got there? That looks so wrong. Just a little sunscreen, keep you nice and, you know, protected. Luckily, I don't think anybody that was a bystander was really hurt, maybe a couple scrapes and bruises. Other than that, no major injuries. Everybody that was in the wrong got arrested and cited. In the extras at the very end, I'll put the whole fight with sound. Warning, it is very explicit. And then after that, we just kind of relaxed the rest of our evening, put the camera away, and enjoyed our time together as a peaceful family. So, thank you everybody for watching. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click that like. Make sure you hit the subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because as you can see, you never know what's going to happen. See you soon.
We wear the muddy boots, stay true to how we're raised. Ain't nothing that is fake. You know we're straight out of that dirty side. Dirty roads, nobody got no money, nothing so
Alright, everybody enjoy that one? Fast and Furious, you got blink, you're gonna miss anything. Car 68, car 8, and car 624 are all going on to the main event. Everybody else drove out under their own power, except for that's always a bummer when you get stuck on a log. So, Rabbit Henry and Ryan Schneider, you notice there wasn't much wrong with their cars, they'll be out.
Because he's wasted. Oh, Luigi's done.
Luigi has a rear end problem.
The whole rear end fell out.
I don't think you ever are going to run into that on any of the stages. So yeah, Casco has helped us out with the logs every year that I can remember being out here. So we always like that. Okay, we took the top 3 out of each race there. Those are going to go on to the main event. What we're going to bring out is any cars that run. Any cars that run.
Get the fuck away from us! Go!
Right, his eyes fucking got it.
He needs to be afraid of money. Shit up. You need to go. Hey!
Walk away from my spirit!
What do you think?
Well, there's two things. For one, this wasn't as fun as last time because we had to look through the fence and had to deal with some idiots fighting. And for two, it got me to thinking that the little cage that we store our camera in would be a great skull crasher.
Fight
That's
night. Best night ever.
I'd really prefer that we don't hit anybody with the camera. I have a big water bottle,
Self-defense.
some guns, these
Fight
guns. Ugh. No fight night. Crazy. You're crazy.
I'm not kidding. When I was like worried if someone was gonna come up and grab, there's a great handle. It's like a super metal cage, and there's sharp edges on it. And I was like, yeah, I'll just crush some skulls.
I went to a Halloween contest. It's a fight.
Well, what do you think
It's a
hydro
fight,
flasks
not
for?
zombies.
They're not for water.
Not take them out.
I will.
I didn't have a hydro flask, and I didn't have a Jessie. All I had was a camera.
It was right there.
When you went to the bathroom.
Oh, gotcha. Almost got taken out by another dad.
Flasks are